Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times before. I don't remember when the last time was. I want to say last week, but that could be a lie. But regardless, that is where these green line annotations are coming from. Previous times I've done the analysis. And the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and get rid of that line up there. Sure, it pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. And just as a reminder, the crypto markets are open 24/7. So that's why I'm using a 4-hour time frame, because it allows me to talk about more so broader level. So even if you come back and are watching this video, 8, 9, 10, 12 hours from now, sure, the chart's not going to look exactly the same as what you see right here, but that's why I want to talk about more so the broad levels. That way you can keep an eye on what sorts of things to kind of check the price with. And right now, that key broad level at 565, meaning if you come back and watch this video 8 hours from now, the big question to ask yourself is, well, where does the price sit within regards to 565? If it's still up above it, hey, that's a good sign for the bulls. That means that they're continuing to do what they've been doing the past several hours, and that is apparently trying to build this base right here. Now, temporarily, the price did break down below it a couple of times, but from a broader sense, like I said, the past several hours, the price has been trying to build up above air. So if you come back and watch the video and it's above 565, that's a very good thing. Maybe the price has started to bounce. So not only is it above 565, but now you're looking at the candles and the price has worked its way that much upwards. That's where the key level of resistance comes into play, and that being the 50-period moving average on my chart, being denoted by the purple line right there. So that'll be definitely the key overall area of resistance. So if the price is indeed starting to bounce, that next kind of big question becomes, well, how's the price doing relative to this purple line? I mean, if you show up and the price is broken up above the purple line, well then, hey, that would imply that the bulls have made a very powerful move. But those are definitely the couple key levels to keep an eye on. Now, in the event 565 does not hold and the price starts to break to the downside, that's where I do want to map out the next level of support. In the event, like I said, there is a breakdown. So in the event 565 does not hold, next key level of support after that down there at 525. So 565 and 525, those two near-term levels of support. So all in all, interesting setup right now. Like I said, the price is going sideways. It is trying to chip away a bottom here. So let's see if they can get the job done or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.